I'm gonna take this blade down. Yeah, I'm gonna take this blade down. Give me a second. Yep, I'm gonna unscrew this blade, and I'm gonna see if it wobbles or not. Give me a second. I'm currently unscrewing it. Give me a second. It's almost out. Hold on. This fan is so hard to unscrew. And I'm gonna see if it wobbles. All right. Looks like it's gonna pop out. Give me a second. All right. It's off now. It's off now. Look. Look at this blade. All right. Now it has 3 blades. Look. Look. 3 blades. Hold on. I'm gonna put it on low. See if it does anything. Turn it off. Turn it off. Medium. Wobbling. Wobbling. It was wobbling. Yep, it was wobbling. I am definitely turning that down. Cause I don't want this thing to spark and follow me. Now, a bit of wobbling here, but like a fan with 3 blades though, I have never known this thing to wobble like that. Because if I turned it on high, if I turn the fan speed on high, it is gonna wobble. I mean, like, definitely. Also, why is the fan spinning when I'm not even, like, when it's not even on? Now I'm gonna put the fan blade back on. Where is the screw? I could not find the screw, bro. And this blade, like, literally, I could not find the other screw. This is so messed up, bro. I've been looking under the cover, like all of these covers, and like literally no other screw has appeared. I am screwed. Crap. I need another screw already. Bye.